love talking to him. All right, let's show you the Del Mar Fairgrounds. The San Diego County Fair back open today at 11 a.m. Look at all those rides ready for us to just jump on. It's going to be so much fun out there this weekend. And visibility is a little poor, pretty poor actually, I should say, in areas like Ramona. So if the 67 or Wildcat Canyon Road is your route, leave time for travel. We had this issue yesterday. We're dealing with it again today. You can see visibility only about half a mile. And between Ramona and Escondido, it goes up to about 3 miles. So there's definitely areas around Ramona where the visibility is pretty poor. This is just where those clouds are banked up against the mountains, so they're touching the ground. That's why we're dealing with the fog there. It's a warm start to our morning. I mean, check out these temperatures. We're in the 60s for a lot of us, but even Julian in the mountains, starting off at 71 degrees this morning, 65 degrees downtown, 64 in Escondido and in Chula Vista. And look at all the heat warnings. They're starting to spread even more so. A lot more pink indicating those heat warnings. I was just talking about the one that we have here in our deserts. That will be in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. The warmest day of the week is today. We will see faster clearing today, but slower clearing into the weekend, and only partial, potentially limited clearing along our coastline this weekend. Temperatures away from the coast drop 5 to 10 degrees tomorrow. Low 70s along our coastline, so not as big of a drop. I think the biggest thing you'll notice over the weekend along the coast is the faster clearing today, and then the more cloudy conditions we're going to see over the weekend. Expecting limited clearing there, but slower clearing, still clearing out to sunny skies for our inland neighborhoods in the low 80s this weekend after about 87 degrees today. In fact, the hottest spots like Ramona and Alpine will be in the 90s today. Temperatures drop to the 80s tomorrow in the mountains and then dropping to the 70s by Sunday, and not quite as hot this weekend in the deserts, but still above 100. Kalina.